Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you my rig, I guess. I actually have it taken apart because I was having an issue where I would turn the power button on and the CPU fan and the LED case fan in the back, they would both spin up and turn on, or at least the LED fan would light up, and then it would shut off like 2 seconds later. And then there was power to the video card, so it was obvious that the system had power. It was just being weird and like, I guess, short circuiting. I don't know what you call that, but yeah. So basically, this is kind of like the inside of my computer. Um, I don't know, brief tour. It's kind of hard to see because it's narrow, but here we got the